Hi, my name is Shivali, and I was introduced to IVS solutions through a friend of mine. I was actually looking to help my niece who wanted to study in the UK. And when I met Sachin in particular and the team of IVS, there were two, three things which made me feel that this is the right people to go with. One, they were very hands-on. They were very easy to access, always answering any question, no matter how stupid, how silly it may sound. But they were ready to answer everything and very quick with their responses. Secondly, I think what the best part about Sachin is that he gives extremely practical advice. He was able to make out the difference between what a child wanted to do and what was actually possible to turn into a career. Many times children are not clear when they come into counseling, and that's what I found with my niece. But the advice that he gave was absolutely spot on in terms of subject choices, in terms of what are her long-term goals and how she can convert her education into a successful career. This is a clarity which I feel a lot of times parents are not able to give their kids. IVS was able to guide her down the correct path and motivate her to do something, to think about things that she had not even thought about before. Because I guess, with children, they have limited exposure, so they don't really know what are the options available to them. So when somebody comes in and has the knowledge as well as the patience to guide and mentor properly, and also the experience that is required to show that, okay, what can actually happen after this education. It's not just about getting into college, it's also about becoming a successful professional once you are done with your education. And I think that focus is what IVS and Sachin brought really well into the picture. Also, there is when somebody external speaks with a certain amount of assuredness about what they're talking about, I think it really helps the children to get clarity. And in this case, in my niece's case, especially being mentored by Sachin, being guided by him, it really helped her to become clear about what her career goals would be.